real quick, just to take off a tire on a trike, especially on the 360, you want to deflate it all the way, as much as you can. All right. And then if you have any type of oil, soap and water, and preferably a tire removing kit if you have one, or if not, you can just go to any bike shop or order one on Amazon. Probably be faster. And usually what I do, I grab a rag and you're gonna apply a little bit of WD-40 right on the rim. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze down on the bottom side right here. That way you can get as much room up here. Lift and insert. And what you're gonna want is to pop out a bit of the section, and at the same time applying a moving forward force. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna start to edge out the rim. Just do it all the way around. Just like that. And then reach inside. Pop over this little guy upwards. Forward, and then the same thing. You're gonna see that there's a gap right here. Just go ahead, squeeze down on there, and go forward, and just slightly, it's gonna come out. Just so. And then when applying it back, the same way, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get a little bit of WD-40. Try to put some on a rag if you have one, or a soap and water if you have none. Go right around the edge. That's what makes the application a lot easier. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna look for the arrows, these directionals, and those tell you which way the tire goes. So you see the arrows facing that way. So we want that facing forward. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply at an angle and just let it sit. And then the same thing with the rim. You're gonna look for your hole. Upwards. You're gonna see your hole right above here. And then you're gonna get your little needle thing right here. Apply it right in the hole. And then just tuck in your tire right after that. Once you get the needle in, grab your cap, screw it in there so it doesn't come out. A little bit of a little technique there. Then just place this over there. What you don't want to do is when you're applying the inner tube, have it folded in there. You kind of want it to align with the rim as much as you can. But once you do inflate inside, it'll actually align itself. You just want to make sure it's not folded in any creams or anything like that. Last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab some, again, WD-40, apply around the rim, and what you're gonna wanna do is just apply it back in there. That's it. And then just inflate again, and you're all set to go.